Navigate to the Manage Register/Terminal page. HV01 represents the POS, and HVQR represents the QR ordering system. Click the pencil icon to edit categories. A list of categories will be displayed on the left side. Click on the Appetizer category. We will be changing the item Super Bowl to the Brunch category. Uncheck the box as shown so that it doesn't reflect on the POS, or alternatively, you can remove the item. Click on the Brunch category, select Add Items and add Super Bowl in. We will also be moving crab cakes from appetizers to mains. Repeat the same steps, then select the mains category and add crab cakes in. Click on Update to save your changes. Repeat the process for the QR ordering system. Click on the pencil icon of HVQR to edit. Uncheck the items and add them to the respective categories. Finally, sync your POS to ensure that all changes are updated.